Hello everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. So guys, this morning we are going to be making my favorite food. So over here I have my yam. I also have my garden egg. We call it garden egg. It's so yummy and tasty. So I brought this from Africa. So I want to make use of it before it gets bad, but it's still fresh and nice. So I'm also going to be adding this is my dry prawns. These prawns, I don't know if they are using it for Christmas or New Year. I don't know, because it's very expensive. I don't know. Just a little rubber I bought was about 18,000 naira. Very expensive. So we are going to be adding it and some other meat to it. So let's get started. So guys, it's ready, so I'm going to be adding it. So I'm just going to be pounding it. So if you have the other the other one, you can also use it. So I'm going to be using my pistol this morning, just to pound it. Feel free to use whatsoever you have. So it's ready. So this is how it looks.